Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce subscription services with Hulu, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Hulu account on the Hulu website or app. Navigate to the profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Select account from the options in the menu. Once you are on the account page, scroll down to the Your Subscriptions section. Here, you will find details about your current subscription plan. To make changes, click on the Manage Plan option. You will see a list of available subscription plans. Take a moment to review the details of each plan. If you wish to downgrade your subscription, select a lower cost plan. Follow the prompts to confirm your new selection. If you're looking to cancel, find the cancellation option in the same section. Click on Cancel Subscription. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the cancellation process. Make sure to check for any confirmation emails regarding the changes. If you are returning to review subscription options, log in again when necessary. Consider looking into additional content options that may fit your budget. Explore any promotional offers or bundles that Hulu may have available. Always keep track of what services you are actively using. This will help you decide which subscriptions to keep or let go. Regularly reviewing your subscription services can lead to significant savings. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your Hulu subscription. Adjustments can help you enjoy your favorite content without overspending. Remember to stay updated as Hulu may change their offerings periodically. Take advantage of any user-friendly features designed to enhance your viewing experience. By being proactive, you can enjoy great entertainment while keeping costs down. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.